A new state-of-the-art STEM facility opened up at Delray Beach High School today. That stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. South County reporter Miranda Christian shows you how a special guest was there to share why these types of programs are vital to our kids' future.
A line of students were there to welcome Bill Nye the Science Guy to American Heritage School in Delray Beach. With the help from a student-made robot, the ribbon was cut to the new STEM facility. This new building will house the school's scientific research program, engineering program, and robotics program.
Now that we have even more lab facilities and robotics facilities, it just gives us even more opportunities.
Bill Nye took a tour of the building, interacting with some of the students while they were working. Nye says it's great to see schools invest in science because it's so important to our future.
What keeps the U.S. in the game economically is innovation, and innovation comes from science. And everybody who's going to be the next innovator has to get excited about it in high school.
The robotics team got to show off one of their robots. Bella Riccioli says they now have a new lab to build robots in.
In our old lab, there was not enough room. It allows more people to work at the same time.
Junior Shani Bahara says this will help her goal to go to college for biomedical engineering.
If our school hadn't done as much as they do for us in STEM, I definitely wouldn't be where I am.
And on that note, the kids are back to class in this 12,000 square foot facility. It cost $8 million. Reporting in Delray Beach, I'm Miranda Christian, WPTV.
For students at the American Heritage School in Delray Beach, the world is at their fingertips. The high school robotics team is just a small part of it.
We have 6 weeks to build a robot that is completely made by us. We will prototype, CAD, build, program, everything that you see here.
Students and teachers are celebrating the grand opening of this multi-million-dollar scientific research, robotics, and engineering building, a place where young minds can learn and let their creativity come to life.
It is an incredible facility, just with the latest equipment that you just don't see in a normal high school atmosphere. You usually see this in a college or a university.
Nationally known scientist Bill Nye the Science Guy was on hand for the grand opening and served as the keynote speaker for the dedication.
It's fabulous. I mean, you guys have a scanning electron microscope in high school. How cool is that, if I may say? And I was in the chemistry lab. It's fantastic. Everything is first class.
Many students tried hard to contain themselves.
As kind of like a little science nerd, he was kind of like an idol, I guess. And it was just really amazing to hear him speak and actually meet him.
During this trip, Nye shared his thoughts about a story that's making headlines right now. We are seeing the first ever photos of a black hole in space.
In my grandparents' time, no one used the term black hole. No one had imagined a star with so much gravity that light couldn't escape. Well, now, in a sense, we have photographed one.
Back at the school, the students here will be using this equipment to explore, create, and enjoy.
It's over twice the size. Our new equipment is amazing.